This is the elevator in Concourse A, Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. It's a Thyssenkrupp Impulse. This was added on. Here it is. Oh, these feel like, maybe this was not. Maybe this is older, because these feel like 80s Impulse. I like the difference in the button though. Cab view. Pretty basic airport elevator. There's your phone, ADA compliant. 150 feet a minute, 4,500 pound capacity. Although it's actually a 3,500 pound capacity. So that certificate's a little bit off, but that's okay. Go ahead and take this for one more round trip. Yeah, it's definitely a bit older. Alright, let's do the motor. And upstairs. Also, TJS 468 videos for you because you've filmed this elevator before. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching.